You control the properties displayed on your live search of the locator IDX. It's probably one of the first things that you're going to want to do before you start sharing it with clients. So let me show you those settings. Just go to Settings and Live Search Controls. And you can change these controls at any time. You can choose if you want the apartment name to be shown or hidden to prospective clients. You can choose to always show the name, only show the name after the lead registers, or if you want to hide the apartment names until you unlock them through the CRM per lead. You can also set a minimum rent. So any apartment with a minimum rent of less than $900 will automatically be removed from your live search. You can also indicate a minimum commission. So maybe enter 10% if you want to show every apartment in your area that is paying a locating commission. You can also indicate which properties to show based on the year it's built. So if you want to remove older properties, then let's just say only show properties that were built on or after 1990. You can also adjust the default map zoom. So large cities like Houston or Dallas are probably going to be a 10. Smaller markets like Austin, Charlotte, Tampa are probably going to be an 11 or a 12. Just remember that the higher number zooms the map in closer. Next, you want to select what automated emails you want your locator IDX to send out. Do you want a welcome email sent to every new lead that is captured? Then you would turn this on. We also have a marketing list. It's the curated top apartment matches. And this is completely optional. If you choose not to send it out automatically, you can also just send it manually through the CRM whenever you want. But essentially what it is we use an algorithm, and once a lead has saved a property from your live search, then your locator IDX goes out and finds similar properties to the same price, location, and commission, and just curates it onto a really nicely displayed mobile-friendly marketing list. This does not replace the custom list that you're gonna create for them, but it is a way to keep your leads engaged. And when speed to lead is so important to your conversion rate, we wanted to give you the option of just sending it out automatically. So if you say yes, you want it to send out automatically once they save their first lead or first property from your live search, then you can also indicate the properties that are on that list, what is the minimum commission? So maybe the minimum commission for your live search is 10%, but when it comes to top matches, if they're not paying at least 50%, then you don't want them to go on the curated list. So those are some tools we have to keep your new leads engaged. Now, if you want to get a copy of all of those emails, the incoming leads and the top apartment matches, then you can add an email address here and we'll send you a copy. You can also forward your leads to either Zapier or Mailparser. So if you have another CRM that you're using, and let's say you don't want to send out the welcome email or the curated apartment matches because you already have a CRM set up to send out your lead nurturing emails, then you just add the email address here and we will forward all of your leads to either Zapier or Mailparser. So you can sync your incoming leads with your existing systems, no problem. Now we also have follow-up emails that can go out. Again, you turn them on or you turn them off. But one of the emails sends them a link so that your potential or your new leads can view your reviews or your testimonials. So this is where you would enter the link to where they could see those testimonials or reviews. We also have a follow-up email that goes out that explains your rebate or your incentive. So you can enter that here. If you're not offering a rebate, you can keep this blank and then that email is just skipped in the follow-up email. So it doesn't go out if you're not offering a rebate. And then lastly, you can upload your logo so that all of your client-facing tools have your logo. They never see the Locator IDX logo. This is only for internal, so only you see Locator IDX. But you can upload your logo, you can upload your headshot, you can also upload a background image for your Locator landing page. And then if you're in Texas and you have your information about brokerage services, you have your consumer protection notice, and then any other disclosures if you're in another state that you need to provide disclosures, to your incoming leads, then you can upload those here. And then all of the emails and all of our products are legally compliant with your state real estate licensing board. So that's it. Super easy. You can come back here and change these settings at any time. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.